Today we're going to talk about how to make negative statements. And negative statements means that you do not do something, que no haces algo. So let me show you a few examples in the present tense. That means something that's happening now or usually. So for example, I could say, I run in the park. But how do I make that mean that I do not do that? Well, I have to add two words. I have to add the word do and the word not. In some other languages like Spanish, you just add one word, no, but in English you need to add two words, do and not. Let's try it also in the present tense, but something that's happening currently. That means now. I could say the bakers are preparing the bread. If I'm putting it into a sentence that is negative, I would only need to add one word. The word is not. Here's the reason why. I'm going to get a highlighter here to show you. So, for example, if I say I run in the park, I only have one verb. If I say the bakers are preparing the bread, we have two. We have our helping verb and our verb that has our suffix or ending on it. When I only have one, I have to add another one so that not is in the middle. If I already have two, then I don't have to add another helper. I can just put not in the middle. So there you can see my verbs. And there you can see the word that means no, not. That splits the two apart. Let's try it again, but with some different words. These are words that show what happened, not now, but in the past. So for example, the worker carried materials. You can see what the worker had already done. Or the worker took a break. Let's just start with those. So if I'm going to make this in the past, any ideas? I could try it like this. I'm going to look at how many verbs I have. I just have one. What did they do? They carried the materials. So I'm going to have to add in some words to make it look different. Let me just change this and add. So the worker carried materials. I'm going to have to change it to say the worker did is my helping word. Then I add not. And then I don't need the word carried with the suffix. I change it back to the regular verb carry. So let's check it. So I would say the worker did, there's my helping verb, but in the past. And then I have the word carry here with the word not in the middle. I could do that as well with the worker took a break. If I would change that one, it would be the worker did not take a break. Again, I have my word did, my word not, and the word take I had to change from the past back to its regular form of take instead of took. These over here are a bit easier. Instead of the woman was cleaning, I have two verbs already, and I'm just going to put the word not there. The woman was not resting. So again, was and not, was and cleaning, those are my verbs. And then the word not is in the middle. Was and resting, the word not is in the middle. So how do I make it negative? Here's a review. You're going to have your subject, what you're talking about. Then you're going to have either a helping word that's already there, plus not, and then your verb plus your suffix ing. Or, if it doesn't have an ing on the verb, you need a helper to add in. So do or does for the present tense, that's like now, or did if it's in the past. That's how you change it to a negative.